Hello everyone, today we have an exciting topic to dive into, calculating the weight of steel bars. In this video, we will break it down into three easy to follow parts. First, let's discuss about different sizes of steel bars that are commonly used in building construction. It is symbolized as number 3, number 4, number 5 and same goes on. Number 3 is also denoted as 3 by 8 inches dia, number 4 as half inch dia and number 5 as 5 by 8 inches dia, and the list goes on. Now let's move on to second part, the unit weight of steel bars. The unit weight of steel bars is shown as you can see that the unit weight of number 3 bar is 0.170 kg per feet, number 4 is 0.303 kg per feet and number 5 is 0.472 kg per feet, and the list goes on. Now how can we calculate the weight of steel by using the previous data? As you can see in the table, we have different sizes of steel bars. Let's calculate each one of them. Let's consider number 3 bar with number of bars as 1 and the length of the steel bar is 40 feet. So the total length would be 1 into 40 is equal to 40 feet. Now the unit weight of steel bars for number 3 is 0.170 kg per feet. So simply multiply 40 with 0.170, so we will get the desired result as 6.8 kgs. Now let's consider number 4 bar with number of bars as 2 and the length of the steel bar is 40 feet. So the total length would be 2 into 40 is equal to 80 feet. Now the unit weight of steel bar for number 4 is 0.303 kg per feet. So simply multiply 80 with 0.303, so we will get the desired result as 24.24 kg. Now we have figured out how to find the weight of steel bars with diameter number 3 and number 4. You can use the same steps to work out the weights of other sizes listed below. There are some more calculations you can explore on your own. I hope you have enjoyed diving into this topic with me today. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.